Hello guys, we know that you are facing from the most common issue. That is printer offline problem and how to bring it online. Please follow the steps now. If your printer is showing as offline, here are some steps you can follow to fix the issue. 1. Check the printer connections. Ensure that the printer is properly connected to your computer, and all cables are securely plugged in. 2. Restart the printer. Turn off your printer, unplug it from the power source, wait for a few minutes, and then plug it back in and turn it on again. 3. Check the paper and ink levels. Ensure that your printer has enough paper and ink. If either one of them is low, replace them. 4. Set the printer as default. Go to the Devices and Printers option on your computer and right-click on your printer. Select the Set as Default Printer option. 5. Check for software updates. Check if there are any updates available for your printer software. If there are, download and install them. 6. Restart the computer. Sometimes, restarting your computer can solve the issue. If these steps don't work, you may need to contact your printer manufacturer or a technician for further assistance.